Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft inflatable wheelchair in Heartopia. So right now, Heartopia has a new event, they call Wheels event. And then in this event, there are a Waterfall Canyon Explorations level that every level has special rewards, and one of them that you can get is this inflatable wheelchair recipe. You can get this recipe when you successfully unlock level 1, just level 1. And after you get this inflatable wheelchair, you can just go to your workbench, because it will add it to your workbench automatically. The recipe will be added to your workbench, and then next just choose this recipe. In here you just need ore, and then roaming oak timber, and 1 pearl. And then after that, just adjust the amount that you want to craft, and then next just simply tap on craft like this. And just like that, you will successfully making the inflatable wheelchair. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.